In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bar chart in Canva in just a few simple steps. Whether you're creating a presentation, infographic, or report, knowing how to make an effective bar chart is a valuable skill. We'll walk through this process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own bar charts with ease. First, open Canva. Once you're logged in, you should see the home dashboard. Locate and click on the Elements tab on the left-hand panel. This is your gateway to the wide range of graphic elements Canva offers, from simple shapes to complex vectors. Next, refine your search by typing bar chart into the search bar at the top. This will pull up a selection of bar chart elements to choose from. Canva has a variety of templates, so take a moment to browse through them and see what's available. If you're unsure which one to select, consider the overall design of your project to ensure the chart will complement your existing elements nicely. Once you spot a bar chart design that catches your eye, you're ready to implement it into your design. Simply click on the chart to select it, then drag and drop it into your design workspace. Canva's drag and drop feature makes it incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to position the chart precisely where you want it. After placing the chart, it's time to customize it with your data. Click on the chart in your workspace and you'll see options to enter your data manually or import a CSV file if you have your data structured that way. Adjust the numbers, categories, and colors to fit the data you are presenting. One of Canva's strengths is its flexibility, allowing you to experiment until you find the look that best conveys your information. Remember, a bar chart is more than just visual decoration. It is a tool to communicate data clearly. As you adjust your chart, make sure the information is presented clearly to your audience. Double check that the axes are labeled correctly and that the color schemes are easy to differentiate. Simple adjustments like these can make all the difference in how your data is perceived. In just a few minutes, you've taken a blank canvas and transformed it into an informative bar chart perfectly integrated into your design. Explore and experiment with different layouts and designs in Canva to further enhance your chart's aesthetic appeal. And there you have it. You've created a professional-looking bar chart in Canva effortlessly. Keep practicing, and soon adding data visualizations to your projects will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore more of Canva's features to elevate your future projects. Happy designing!